Hi guys, welcome to Focus Android YouTube channel. Today's video I will show you how to add Google Chrome Bookmarks widget on Samsung home screen. Okay, first of all, you can tap and hold in the Google Chrome application until appears pop up like this, and you can press on the widgets, and then here you can choose several widget, and you can see it's a Chrome Bookmarks. You can press and hold and you drag to your home screen. In here you can change the widget size, and for the second method you can press and hold in the empty area in your home screen. Then you can see widget in the bottom, press on it, and here you must find the Google Chrome. Press on Google Chrome, and then you can choose the widget, press and hold and drag to your home screen.